In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Gorgias. Whether you're a business owner trying to keep track of customer interactions or a team manager looking to analyze performance metrics, mastering this skill is crucial. By the end of this short guide, you'll know exactly how to access and download important performance data in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your internet browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you're most comfortable with. In the search bar at the top, type in Gorgias. Make sure you click on the correct link to navigate to their website. It's really easy to spot, especially if you've bookmarked it or visited it frequently before. Once you've opened the Gorgias website, the next step is logging into your account. This process shouldn't take long, especially if your credentials are already saved in your browser. However, if you're entering them for the first time, ensure your email and password are correctly typed to avoid login issues. A little tip: if you're worried about forgetting your password, consider using a password manager to keep track of your login details securely. Now that you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to the performance report page that you're interested in. This page contains all the juicy data about your customer service metrics, such as response times and customer satisfaction scores. Navigating to this page usually involves going through a menu at the top or side of your Gorgias dashboard, and there might be a specific section labeled something like Reports or Analytics. So, you've arrived at the performance report page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. There's often a wealth of information available. What you're looking for next is the Download Data button. It's typically located at the top of the page, so it should be easy to spot. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. Once you click that Download Data button, Gorgias will automatically download 3 CSV files directly to your computer. These files contain different types of performance data, providing you with a comprehensive view of various metrics. You might notice them appearing in your Downloads folder within seconds. Each CSV file offers unique insights, so take your time to explore them in a program like Excel or Google Sheets. These tools will help you sort and analyze the data more effectively, letting you glean the valuable insights you need to improve service or report to your team. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your reports from Gorgias. This straightforward process ensures you have all the necessary data at your fingertips for deeper analysis and informed decision-making. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like this.